Hedges make really good boundaries in the garden, and you know, they live in, the birds can nest in them, they attract wildlife, but they do need trimming occasionally, and this is getting to the point now where it's ready for a trim and tidy up. And if you leave it until late summer, then they make no growth after that, so it'll keep the shape all the way through the autumn and winter. The other good thing of doing them at this time of the year, of course, is the birds are finished nesting, but if in doubt, always check first. So we're going to give this beech hedge, this is a lovely copper beech or purple beech, it's late summer trim to smarten it up. I'm going to use a cordless hedge trimmer. These are very light with a lithium ion battery, so very easy to use. So we're going to do that now, but just to make life a little bit easier when it comes to tidying up afterwards, because that's the bit I hate, picking up all the leaves and the trimmings. I'm going to pull in this tarpaulin and just put that underneath the hedge. Ooh. So that all the clippings will fall in that, then I can just gather it together up and make life much easier. Safety goggles, sunny day, so I'm going to wear tinted ones. I'm going to wear gloves, and then we're off. So we just turn it on and we're away. There, not quite finished because I need to go to the other side to reach across, but it's going to really smarten it up. And what I've done is not cut too hard back. I've basically just tried to cut off the new growth that was sticking out from the hedge, because I wanted to leave this lovely layered effect with the leaves, because they're obviously going to look good right the way through the autumn. They'll go brown in the winter and remain there, and then next spring we get the new growth. So it's important that we keep it looking good and not cut too hard back at this time of the year.